There are many best vacuum cleaners to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best vacuum cleaners from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. Number 1. Dream G10 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop. Vacuum and mop all-in-one with auto self-cleaning. Floor cleaner machine for hard floor. 35 minutes runtime. Edge cleaning. The Dream G10 Wet Dry Vacuum Mop is an innovative all-in-one cleaning solution designed to simplify household floor care. Extensively tested for compatibility with a wide variety of hard floor surfaces, including hardwood, marble, and specialty wood flooring, it effectively vacuums and mops at the same time. This powerful cleaner tackles both dry debris such as dust, crumb, and pet hair, as well as wet spills like drinks and sauces, delivering spotless results in a single pass. Its advanced dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring floors are always washed with fresh water for a more hygienic clean. The convenient self-cleaning feature automatically cleans a roller brush with just one press, reducing maintenance effort. With up to 35 minutes of runtime on a single charge, the Dream G10 is ideal for cleaning entire homes without interruption. Combining vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping in one device, it offers exceptional convenience and efficiency for everyday cleaning tasks. Benefits: time-saving cleaning, vacuums and mops simultaneously, reducing cleaning time and effort. Number 2. Hobby Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner Cordless. 23 kilopascals vacuum mop for hard floors, up to 45-minute runtime, 180 degrees lay-flat design with hot water self-cleaning, and 185 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying. Experience a smarter way to clean with this cordless wet-dry vacuum mop, designed to vacuum, wash, and mop in a single step. Featuring powerful 23,000 pascal suction, it effortlessly tackles dry debris, liquid spills, pet hair, and everyday messes for a spotless home. The advanced hot water self-cleaning system automatically rinses the roller brush, suction inlet, and internal tubing, while 185 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying keeps the brush fresh, odor-free, and ready for next use. Its edge cleaning brush reaches along baseboards and corners, while the 180 degrees lay-flat design easily cleans under beds, sofas, and furniture. The anti-tangle roller with dual comb scrapers captures pet and long hair without wrapping, reducing maintenance. Lightweight at only 9.26 pounds and equipped with self-propelled movement, it glides smoothly across floors with minimal effort. A 45-minute runtime cleans up to 1,830 square feet on a single charge. Benefits: saves time by vacuuming, washing, and mopping simultaneously. Delivers hygienic cleaning with separate clean and dirty water tanks. Number 3. TenEcoFloor 1S5 Smart Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop for hard floors. Digital display, long run time. Great for sticky messes and pet hair. Space-saving design. Make floor cleaning faster and more efficient with the TenEcoFloor 1S5 Smart Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Designed to vacuum and mop simultaneously, it easily handles wet spills, sticky messes, dust, pet hair, and everyday dirt on hard floors. Powered by advanced iLoop smart sensor technology, the vacuum automatically adjusts suction power, water flow, and brush speed based on the level of dirt, ensuring optimal cleaning performance with every use. The specially designed brush roller cleans close to baseboards and reaches corners for a more thorough clean, leaving floors dry and streak-free within minutes. Its upgraded clean water tank provides longer cleaning sessions, while the dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate for consistently hygienic results. Maintenance is effortless thanks to the one-touch self-cleaning function, which automatically cleans the brush roller and internal tubing. Number 4. Bissell Crosswave Omnifine Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Mop with Fur Finder headlights, all-in-one floor cleaner with powerful suction for hard floors and rugs. The Bissell Crosswave Omnifine Multi-Surface Cleaner makes everyday floor care easier by vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. Designed for hard floors and area rugs, it effectively removes dirt, debris, pet hair, and everyday messes while saving time and effort. With up to 25 minutes of cordless runtime, you can move freely around your home without being restricted by power cords. Equipped with Fur Finder headlights, it helps reveal hidden pet hair and dust, while tangle-free technology reduces hair wrap and clogging for smoother operation. The advanced two-tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate. Ensure you always clean with fresh water and solution. After use, the one-touch self-cleaning cycle automatically cleans the brush roll and internal components for hassle-free maintenance. Benefit 1. Saves valuable time by vacuuming and mopping floors in a single step. Benefit 2. Provides a more hygienic clean with freshwater cleaning and automatic self-cleaning technology. Number 5. Roborock F25 Ultra Steam Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. 356 degrees Fahrenheit steam mop and 187 degrees Fahrenheit hot water cordless vacuum mop all in one. Floor washer with blue light. 194 degrees Fahrenheit self-cleaning. Transform your floor cleaning routine with this advanced cordless steam vacuum cleaner, designed to vacuum, wash, and sanitize in one step. Featuring powerful 22,000 Pascal suction, 356 degrees Fahrenheit steam, and 187 degrees Fahrenheit hot water cleaning. It effortlessly removes pet hair, grease, sticky spills, dust, and everyday messes from hardwood tile, laminate, and vinyl floors. The built-in blue light helps reveal hidden debris for a more thorough clean, while AI-enhanced wheels and a 70-degree swivel design provide smooth, effortless maneuverability around furniture and obstacles. Its innovative self-cleaning and self-drying system automatically cleans the roller with high-temperature steam and dries internal components with hot air, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. The 180 degrees lay-flat design reaches under beds, sofas, and cabinets, while app remote control offers added convenience and precision. Benefit 1. Deep cleans and sanitizes floors while saving time with all-in-one cleaning. Benefit 2. Reduces maintenance effort with automatic self-cleaning and hot air drying technology. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or, if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.